Well, we have to admit it feels pretty nice out here, the coolest we felt it in a long time. Well, right now we want to talk about a pretty serious issue. The Bowling Green City Council has approved legislation that would ban any type of distraction that takes a driver's full attention away from driving. Now, sounds like a good idea, but it's also met with some opposition because people aren't even sure what exactly that means, what all it entails. So we actually have a guest joining us right now.
That's right. We have personal injury attorney Mike Bell here to sort all of this out because the legislation has some very vague terms and it's making it a lot difficult for distracted driving to be defined, right?
It sure is. That's exactly what it does. I understand the intent behind the law, and it's great that the legislature has taken advantage of this opportunity to come out with something to stop distracted driving. But as I understand this Bowling Green proposed law, if there's a failure to maintain full time and attention by the driver, they can be cited with a $25 ticket plus court costs, no points on the license, and it's for any driver regardless of age. It's different from the Ohio legislation that's coming into effect, many of your viewers may know, at the end of August, which will cite minor drivers for using any handheld device in a vehicle and adult drivers for texting. This one proposes a distraction of any full time and attention from driving, and it's really difficult, I think, for a lot of people to understand what that means.
Yeah, is that saying even just like drinking a soda? Is that part of that?
Could be.
Okay.
Could be eating a cheeseburger. It could be looking out the window if there's a helicopter in the air, or switching your radio. Really anything.
Switching radio, I mean, that's a thing we all do so
this
often.
definitely goes beyond texting and driving.
It does. Again, texting and driving and handheld devices and Bluetooth are all convenient, but when they're used in the car, they can be incredibly dangerous, and we all know that. Bowling Green City Council believes that this legislature is necessary for them. I think they haven't voted on it yet. They've got a couple more readings on it in August, and then I think they'll have a vote on it at that point.
Are they going to be having maybe some more meetings to get more feedback from the community? Because so many people have such varied opinions about this.
As I understand it, they are. They're going to have these two other meetings where they have the readings, and they'll be able to get some input from their people to decide what they want to do on this particular issue.
Wow.
Pretty interesting.
Right. Thank you so much, personal injury attorney Mike Bell, for joining us this morning. Kind of giving us an insight on this whole thing in terms of distracted driving in Bowling Green. We really appreciate you stopping by this morning. We will be right back with more after this.